and they're on their way. Domek running on the outside, running by the rail is entry number 1, Dr. Choice Inquiry. Also in between runners, Precious Metal is running by the rail now to take second, rounding at the last 600. Domek leading the field by the rail, Precious Metal, then moving up down on the inside is Inquiry, then moving up on the outside. I Am Strong as they rounded the last 450. I Am Strong now takes the lead on the outside. Running by the rail is Domek, Inquiry, Precious Metal with 150 to go. I Am Strong by about 4 lengths. Running now in second on the outside, Precious Metal, Domek by the rail, and finally I Am Strong. Precious Metal, then comes Domek, number 5, Cool Reception.